Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinzal Prasad and you are watching the AXXIS Trader. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new updates. So this video will be about the AXXIS Draken Cinzel Helmet. Cinzel is nothing but the new graphic design of this model. So one of the biggest problem for any bikers in this world is choosing the best helmet for their motorcycles. Actually, till now I didn't had any importance of buying the best helmet for my Royal Enfield. I was thinking that helmet is just to save us from paying the fine for the cops. So today I am here with the new AXXIS helmet. So I was thinking that I need to upgrade from Vega helmet, which you have seen in my videos. I had uploaded long time back. So that's not at all a good helmet for any motorcycle who does the bike rides and off-roading as well. So today I bought a new helmet, that is AXXIS helmet, and I'll be telling you the importance of buying the helmet. I have Royal Enfield, so I don't need any higher class helmets or expensive helmets. So I got this helmet in a good budget. So I'll be unboxing this in my video today. So let's start with this. So the helmet is packed in a good helmet bag and it writes the AXXIS on it. So before removing it, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, there is nothing else except paperwork. Let me check what it is. So this is the user manual for the helmet and some information about the certifications, so you can check it out. Let me unbox this helmet, guys. Clear visor for my safety, so let me remove this. Wow. So guys, as you are seeing, this helmet is pin lock ready visors, and as you can see, the helmet has a very good aerodynamic shape, and this is the best helmet for your Royal Enfield, guys. You need not to spend a better price for Royal Enfield, because Royal Enfield is not that bike where you get to see more crashes and accidents. So you can buy these kind of helmets for your Royal Enfield except the Vega helmets. So please stop it right here. Please stop it buying Vega helmets. So as you can see, this helmet has a very good aerodynamic shape and you can use this on any motorcycles. Yes. So let me explain you some of the features of this helmet. So this gets anti-fog visor with the pin lock ready visors, and the glass is very sturdy. You get a nose guard over here. You get a chin cutting to protect yourself from stones or your voice cancellation technique. And talking about the pads, this has better pads than the AXXIS one. You can check it out on my channel. I had uploaded the video, that is the AXXIS Apex Crypto. And you can compare the padding. As you can see, it has a very thick padding all over it, and of course it's removable and washable. At the front you have one air vent for the air intake. On the top you have another one, and at the back these are the exhaust vents. So this helmet has a very good aerodynamic shape. I cannot stop thinking about it. And right now, let me wear it and show you how this helmet looks like. This is all the 360-degree view of this helmet. Please comment down below that how the helmet looks when you are wearing it. So one thing which I didn't like about this helmet is I expected the D-ring lock system which I have on AXXIS and nowadays you find it on all kinds of helmets, but this has the normal strap release, but I didn't like this, so let me see what happens. So this helmet gets both DOT and EC certified, so it's better in safety, and the shell is the double layer shell. So what else guys, this helmet has all the features for this price range, and let me tell you the price of this helmet finally. So this helmet costed me around 4,000. Even on online you will find the same price. I had been to shop and purchased it, so I got it for 4,000 itself. And if you want the extra visor, you won't get it for free. You need to buy the plain visor as a stock, and if you need to upgrade it for iridium, chrome or smoke visors, you need to pay extra 1,100 rupees for those visors. But I seriously do not recommend you to buy those because of the safety matters during the evening time. So that's it guys, I told everything about this helmet, and if I have missed something then please surely comment down below. If you want to buy this helmet, I will be putting the link in the description. Actually this helmet is produced by Spartan Pro Gear, though that is the brand which manufactures Scimitar jackets, Aspida jackets, MT helmets and AXXIS as well. If you like this video and the helmet, then make sure you hit the big like button, subscribe, share, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon guys. Thank you, take care, see you in the next video.